Ever found yourself scrolling through dreamy vacation photos, picturing yourself sipping a cocktail on a foreign beach, only to have a nagging thought pop into your head? Wait, can I even use my debit card there? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Traveling internationally is exciting, but figuring out the financial logistics can feel like navigating a maze. Today, we're tackling a common question for TD Bank customers: can you use your TD debit card internationally? Let's get straight to the point. The answer is generally yes, you can use your TD debit card internationally. However, it's not quite as simple as packing your bags and hopping on a plane. There are a few important things you need to know to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. First and foremost, activation is key. Before you even think about heading to the airport, you absolutely must notify TD Bank of your travel plans. This is crucial. If you don't inform them, their fraud detection systems might flag your international transactions as suspicious and potentially freeze your card. Imagine being stranded in a foreign country with no access to your funds. Not a fun scenario. You can usually notify TD Bank through their online banking portal, their mobile app, or by calling their customer service line. Make sure to provide them with your destination countries and the dates you'll be traveling. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Next, let's talk about fees. While you can use your TD debit card internationally, you'll likely encounter some fees. These can include foreign transaction fees, which are typically a percentage of the transaction amount, and potential ATM withdrawal fees, both from TD and the foreign bank's ATM. It's a good idea to check TD Bank's specific fee schedule for international debit card usage so you're aware of these costs beforehand and can factor them into your travel budget. Another important consideration is ATM access. While you might be able to use your TD debit card at many international ATMs displaying the Visa or MasterCard logo, depending on your specific card, not all ATMs are created equal. Some might have higher withdrawal fees than others. It's often recommended to withdraw larger sums of cash less frequently to minimize these fees, while still being mindful of safety and not carrying excessive amounts of cash. Currency conversion is another factor to keep in mind. When you make a purchase or withdraw cash in a foreign currency, the exchange rate will be applied. TD Bank will typically handle this conversion, but the rate might not always be the most favorable. You might also encounter the option at some point-of-sale terminals or ATMs to have the transaction processed in your home currency, USD in this case. While this might seem convenient, it often involves a less favorable exchange rate set by the merchant or the ATM operator. It's generally advisable to opt for processing in the local currency. Finally, always be vigilant about security. Just like at home, be aware of your surroundings when using your debit card and protect your PIN. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions and monitor your account activity regularly through the TD app or online banking to quickly identify any unauthorized transactions. So, to recap, yes, you can likely use your TD debit card internationally, but remember to notify TD of your travel plans, be aware of potential fees, understand ATM access and currency conversion, and always prioritize security. Taking these precautions will help ensure your international adventures are filled with amazing memories, not financial frustrations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.